Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. In another few weeks you'll be able to start forcing some lilies for pots. Particularly if you've got a polytunnel or greenhouse, it's a wonderful way to start them early for early colour. Now lily bulbs are like that there, and you plant them pointed end up and root end down, and a pot about this size here, which is around 40 centimetres across, about 3 lily bulbs should be fine. Now, if you want to be greedy, you could put 5 in it. Now just show you some lovely new varieties. That's a variety called Bumblebee. It's yellow with a dark centre. Another variety here called Soft Music, and some of the names just wonderful. And of course, many are fragrant as well. And that's Lollipop. But have a look in the web shop. Whole range of lilies ready for sale now. And of course, wait for another little while before things warm up before starting them off. But certainly when it comes to about mid-February, particularly if you've got a polytunnel or greenhouse, you could start forcing some early lilies for summer colour. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.